In this demo, we will see how to use the rich trees. Rich trees are call trees and caller trees that are rich in information. Let us start with the call tree of the function processArgs. The nodes in this tree are displayed in the order of their occurrence in the parent function. Click the Search in Tree icon, and it displays the Search in Tree menu. Let us go to Enable Display, then enable Function Parameter List, and click Apply. Now, each node shows the list of parameters needed by the function. The list of parameters gives you an idea of what a function does. It is also helpful in checking if proper parameters are being passed. Now, we will enable File Name and click Apply. We can see the file names where each function is defined. The file names are very helpful in getting a feel of what functions are defined in what files. Let us disable Function Parameter List and File Name, then enable Associated Comment and click Apply. The comments we see here were found next to the function calls in the source code. The comments help in understanding the sequence of function calls in the call tree. They are helpful during design review and for creating better documentation. Let us enable just the file name and click Apply. And again, we can see the file names. Now, in the section Highlight Other Occurrences of, we will enable the file name and click Apply. Since the current node is from the file js.c, the other nodes from js.c are also highlighted. Had we selected function name, all occurrences of the current function would be highlighted in the current tree. Let us expand the whole tree. First, perform a right-click and then click on Expand Full. Click on JS Set Version, and now the current node is from the file jsapi.c. Hence, the other nodes from jsapi.c are highlighted. Click the icon Go Back to Previous Node, and we are back at the root node. Suppose you are interested in a particular data object and you wish to find out what functions use that data object. You can find such functions by searching for the data object in the nodes of the tree. Let us go to the Object Search card. Now, we will find those nodes in the tree that use the structure JS_WatchPoint. In the drop-down list of Type of Object, click on Structures or Unions. Now, go to the drop-down list of Select From and use the keyboard to enter the starting characters JSW. Then click on JS_WatchPoint. Now, object name contains JS_WatchPoint. Please note that object name should contain the object to be searched. Click the Search button. It appends the name JS_WatchPoint to those nodes in the tree that use this structure. And it takes you to the first such function in the tree. Click the Search button again. It takes you to the function in the tree that uses JS_WatchPoint. In this way, you can find the functions that use the structure JS_WatchPoint. Let us find out what members of JS_WatchPoint are used by the functions. The object name box already contains the structure name. Let us use the members drop-down list to enter the dot operator. Then use the Select From drop-down list to enter any member. Now, object name contains any member of JS_WatchPoint. Click the Search button. It takes you to the next function that uses JS_WatchPoint, and you can see the structure members that are used by the function. Now we will search for a specific member of JS Watch Point. Use the Select From drop-down list and click on SPROP. Now, object name specifies the member SPROP of JS Watch Point. Click the Search button. It takes you to the next function that uses the member SPROP of JS Watch Point. Click the Search button again. It takes you to the next function that uses SPROP. One way to create data flow is from the rich tree. Drop Watch Point is the current node. To view the data flow of SPROP from the function drop watch point and onward, right-click anywhere in the tree window, then click on Data Flow for the current object. In the data flow, you can go deeper by expanding the function call with a double click. Now, we will close the data flow window. We are back in the rich tree. This is a very large tree, and there are only a few functions that use the member SPROP of JS Watch Point. You can hide most of the tree so that only the call sequences that lead to these functions are visible. Right-click anywhere in the tree window, then click Show All Paths for Object. Now, the tree shows only those paths that lead to the functions that use SPROP. Clicking the Search All button is another way of obtaining this filtered view of the tree. When you fill the object name box with the name of the object to be searched, and then click the Search All button, Crystal starts with the whole tree, finds all the functions that use the object, and then displays the filtered view. The Search All button is available when the tree window contains the whole tree. To view the whole tree, right-click anywhere in the tree window, then click on Show Whole Tree. Also, right-click, then click Unmark Path. Now, let us go to the Advanced Search card. With the tree window being active, press the Home key to go to the root node. Using the Advanced Search card, you can search for a function, a file, or an object in the tree. Or you can provide a string and search for the function names that contain a match for the string. In this demo, we saw the various rich tree operations.